It has been a hot minute since I filmed the video. Can we just take a moment again? Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. So I have been back at work for about 3 weeks. It's been crazy. My mind has just been on like doing the best possible kind of performance while at work, and there's something in my eye. That's great. Where was I? Yeah, so I have just been like throwing myself into my job, hence why I've been a bit quiet on this part of the internet. I have been trying to keep up with my personal Instagram, my Twitter, but kind of not really, and I have literally just created a Bookstagram account, which I will link in the description box below if you guys want to know what kind of books I read. I do talk a lot about books, generally day to day. I'm an actual bookworm, so if you do want to follow me, it is at Franalibi, and yeah, just come on and join me over there on the community. And aside from that, I've just been obsessed with Lush, and that is exactly what today's video is about. So I received yesterday the June box of the Lush Kitchen subscription, and I have made myself wait till this very moment to actually open it and see what's inside. I have stayed away mainly from my Lush Instagram because there is a few spoilers on my feed, and I've made sure to be careful and not see what is in this month's box because people have been posting immediately. I will be posting my own post, but like everyone else, I will be doing the picture of the box first and then the products in the second photo. So if you do want to see that, then follow me at LushEA, again linked in the description box as well. So this is of course the classic green branding now. That is the Lush Kitchen box, and let's just dive in. I literally have not seen anything, and it is the same. It is stunning. Loving the font yet again. So as always, you've got the June 2020 on the top. There is my receipt, and I don't want to look at this. We will leave this till the end as always and just start diving in. Also, my hair's a bit frizzy because I let it dry in the plait and it hasn't straightened out yet. So excuse that, it's a bit wild, but let's see what's the first. There's a little bit of paper. So I have no idea what this is. Let's read it out together. A year ago, Mark dreamed up a luxurious sleep-inducing face and body mask, 25 formulations, and 1 name competition. Later, we hope you love it as much as we do. Sweet dreams. And it's a signature from Helen and Mark. Obviously, it's printed. That is so cool. I wonder what it could be. I mean, I literally just bought Mask and Magnum Minty because I needed a mask, but this is such a nice surprise. And let's see if we can get it first because I see a pot. It is. It is called Beauty Sleep, and it is a face and body mask. Is this? Okay, this is a long lasting one. So it was made on the 26th of the 6th and go out of date on 26th of October. So I've got a few months, and it is in a fresh face mask sized pot, and inside, holy moly, that is the tiniest writing. I can't even see that without my glasses. Wait, that is so many ingredients. Look at how many ingredients are in that mask. I've never seen that in my life. Just to pick out a few. There's Canon clay, orange blossom honey water, coconut oil, neroli oil, lavender oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, avocado oil, evening primrose seeds, organic cold pressed evening primrose oil, fresh lemon juice, fresh pineapple juice, fresh orange juice, and lemon verbena and valerian root extract and honey, and there's so many other ingredients, and I feel like with the evening primrose oil, if you sold this on its own, they probably would have charged easily maybe like over £10 for this, because if you think that kind of ingredient in a moisturiser is generally quite expensive, let's have a look because this is exciting. Oh my god, it smells like gorgeous. It smells like, let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. That is just beautiful. I'm actually so happy. This looks like a raspberry yogurt, and it smells like a beautiful face mask they use in a Lush bar on you, like in a special treatment. It is stunning. This literally smells like fresh beauty in a mask. That's all I can describe it as. It's a very light and floral and refreshing, and I literally can't wait to use this. I might take a picture of it for my Lush Instagram and use it tonight because that just sounds so exciting. Beauty Sleep, oh my god. It does actually say a luxurious face mask with an extra spoon of gorgeous in it. It may even help you sleep. Guys, this is the kind of thing I subscribe to. Yes, thank you Mark and Helen. I love you guys if you're watching this. Okay, next product, because we're gonna be here for ages if I don't get a move on. Ooh. Okay, I see a bottle. It says vegan. It's another nice one. Okay. So, from the ingredients, it has wheatgrass juice, sandalwood oil, bergamot oil, neroli oil, and fine sea salt. And it's green. Let's see. I've never actually used this one before. It is grass. Yes. This used to be, I think, on the actual Lush Kitchen, old school Lush Kitchen menus quite a lot. I did see it a few times, but I never ordered it on the day it was released. So this is pretty exciting. And you get a nice little 100-gram bottle of it. And I am going through my shower gels currently, apart from last month's box, like water. Like, it is going crazy. And you know, I have to say, last month's box had Sonic Death Monkey. It's such a thin shower gel. I don't know how, but I'm halfway through the bottle already. It's because it just comes out. You can't control it. And this one, grass, yes. Smells like the bubble bar. Smells exactly like the bubble bar, which I actually miss. I used to love grass in a bubble bar. Don't know why they didn't bring it back for the Harajuku launch. Actually disappointed. Oh, that is such a fresh summer scent. Like, perfect. This is a gorgeous selection so far. Absolutely love it. I see another bottle. This brings This brings back so many memories of being a Lushie in 2014. Like, that's 2013, 2014 is when I first got into Lush, and this was one of my first ever body lotions, and it got discontinued, and now I've got it. Okay, it's for the little light. Guys. It is, I have no words. Okay, you got coconut oil, kiwi fruit extract, there is also hibiscus flower infusion, organic coconut water, organic cocoa butter, obviously vanilla absolute, and there's also jasmine and tonka and tamunu oil. And let's get the smell. Yes. Yes. Smells exactly the same. Smells exactly the same. I'm actually going to put some on camera because obviously I've not used this. Let me put it on here. Okay. It is quite, can you see? Okay, it's quite nice and light. I haven't actually used this in a good 5 years. And it's not as strong as it I remember, but you can still smell that it's vanilla light. it's so like easily to like rub into the skin, and it's just amazing. Like, I'm so happy with this. Guys, this is such a good box. Okay, I see another bottle, and it's a big bottle. It's at 250 grams. And guys, what is, they are delivering this month. I thought last month was an amazing one. It's 29 High Street. It's 29 High Street. The scent that everyone loves and goes on about, and I've never used this. And the ambience of the late hours saw the sense of Paul's original shot embodied in this spoke creation. So last month we got the Fun Bar, which is 29 High Street, which was a Jack Constantine's pick for the box, I think. Yeah. And now, oh my god, it literally smells like the last shot. Oh my god, that is just stunning. So in there we've got lemon oil, lime oil, sandalwood, tonka, ylang ylang, gardenia extract, lemon juice, jasmine flower infusion. All the ingredients that I love a Lush product. That is just stunning. That, guys, look at it. Absolutely love it. That is an amazing pick. I've even forgotten, because before every box is put into production for that month or the next month, you can vote for what you want, and I can't remember. I can never remember by the time this box is dispatched what I voted for and what was on offer. So this is a nice surprise. So we've had 4 products, so there should be one more, and this is something I have seen before but never had. And guys, it smells like Honey Wash Your Kids. So this is a bubble bar, which literally looks like a cross between a cake and a cookie. That looks so yummy, smells yummy, and is actually so stunning. Products like these, you can definitely tell is handmade because the way it's like pressed together, and that is, I absolutely love that. What is that called? Let's look at the sheet. So we have in this menu, which I am actually going to collect and keep forever because I'm just like that. So it is called a Mabar, M-A and then bar, Mabar. So definitely Honey I Washed the Kids scent. The face mask, Beauty Sleep, is Mark and Hannah's pick for this month. Grass, obviously, Vanilla Delight and 29 High Street. And it goes, your vote, your choice, but too close to call 4, 3, 2, 1, you got them all. So I don't know what that means, but that is the card on the back of this. And then obviously you got enjoy your Lush products with everything else. Okay, so on this you have cream of tartar, cocoa powder, bergamot oil, yeah, and Brazilian orange oil, which does make up Honey I Washed the Kids scent, which is amazing. So that is this month's or June box's Lush Kitchen box, which 5-star, like, it is obviously expensive. I think it's £35 for the box plus postage and packaging with raw mail. So, but I think we really do get your money's worth, and that is everything. I'm speechless, especially with Vanilla Delight and 29 High Street and Beauty Sleep. This is probably the most exciting product in the whole box because I've never like ventured into other exclusive masks, because even though like at the showcase in 2018 I didn't get any of the like showcase exclusive masks because I was like sticking to my guns, my favourite BB seaweed, and I'm never leaving and betraying it. Obviously I use mask and bag now, but never used something that was exclusively formulated. So So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys very soon. And before you go, do let me know in the comments which product in this month's box is your favourite. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I will see you guys soon. Goodbye.